Images are very important to customers. The right images help your product shine, and they can have a direct impact on customer purchasing decisions and sales. Quality matters. Choose images that are clear, easy to understand, and attractively presented. Customers are visual shoppers. They're looking for images that match their personal taste. So let's talk about how to create images that will catch your customer's attention. Amazon Handmade has a few requirements. First things first, your images must accurately represent your product and match the product title. Now, the technical stuff. Images must be at least 500 pixels in height or width, but we recommend at least 1,000 pixels. That way, customers can zoom in and see details, which makes them likelier to buy. And images must be under 10,000 pixels on the longest side. Amazon Handmade prefers JPEG images, but we can also accept TIFF and GIF formats. We cannot support animated GIFs. Your main image is the one that appears in Amazon Handmade search listings. Your main image must be on a pure white background, and it must be a professional photo of your product, no illustrations or mock-ups, and no extras that might confuse the customer like accessories or props that don't come with the purchase. A few more rules that apply to all images. Don't include price tags, badges, logos, text, clip art, or watermarks in your images. If you do, your images might not appear in search results. Images must not contain nudity or be sexually suggestive. If you use a model, your model must be standing, not sitting, kneeling, or lying down. And baby and children's underwear or swimwear cannot be photographed on a model. Use a flat image of the product instead. Now here are some tips to get the most out of your images. We recommend at least 4 images per product, 1 main image on a white background, and 3 alternative images. You can use alternative images to highlight details, show scale, or put the product in an environment that helps customers envision it as part of their lifestyle. Make sure the camera is facing straight into the product, level with the lowest point of the product. Check that there are no reflections of the photographer in the images. And keep the product well lit and in focus. Otherwise, customers will miss out on the craftsmanship you put into every product. You want to learn more? Check out the help page, Imaging Best Practices, for tips, tricks, and first-hand advice from other makers in the handmade community.